PicFrame is a versatile app that is intended for the purpose of making photo collages. So as you can see when you open the app, there are many different templates to choose from. So you go ahead and tap to choose the template that works for you. You would tap in the center of each of the blank boxes to be able to access your camera roll so that you can choose the images that represent the words that you are studying in vocabulary. Since vocabulary is an important part of every subject, this would be a great activity that could fit into many different content areas and at any grade level. If you accidentally place the wrong image, it's really easy to go ahead and tap that image and choose to delete the photo so that you can either take one or go back to accessing the camera roll and select the correct photo. Photos can be adjusted and manipulated inside of each box using the traditional multitasking gestures of the two-finger pinch or spreading motion. You can also adjust the orientation of the pictures. You simply tap on the picture under Adjust and manipulate it however you would like it to appear in your project. In addition, also under the Adjust tab, you can choose different color effects filters to apply to each of the images, which offers some really great creative potential for students. Since content vocabulary is such an important part of every subject area, PicFrame is an app that could definitely be applied in a variety of settings and at a variety of grade levels, so I'm sure you would find it useful for you and your students. Once you've selected all of the filters for each one of the images that are part of your collage, you can go ahead and further customize by tapping the Style button at the bottom of the screen. This will give you the option of changing the border around your pictures. You can either change the color or you can change the width of the border, which really alters the look of your finished product, and it gives students a little bit more choice as well in terms of what the finished product will look like. And then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and begin adding the text for the project, whether that's simple definitions or giving a definition and several examples or non-examples of a particular concept. Pretty much anything you would have done with a more traditional vocabulary building exercise that connects pictures and text examples or definitions. This would be a slightly more augmented task for students because it does give them some additional creativity. Images could be published in a variety of resolutions that are appropriate or not appropriate based on the form in which you're publishing. So one of the easiest things to do is to save to the camera roll, but you can also open the project in different apps. You could save it into Dropbox, you could share it via social media. So there really are just a lot of great options for your students to be able to disseminate their work. Two last features of the app include some options regarding the corners of the photos and the shadow function in the top right hand corner, and over in the top left hand corner there's some helpful tutorials for students to refer back to during the creation process.